There's a bend down by the river where the water won't explain why the air still feels so heavy every time it says a name. They don't mark it on the maps, they don't teach it to the young, but Clerk remembers what was taken, what was done. Clerk remembers what the ground won't hide, every fence, every silence, every place we passed inside. If the truth weighs on your breathing, that's how you know it's right. Clerk remembers, so we don't lose the light. I've seen fear turn into borders, I've seen quiet turn to law, I've seen history soften itself, so we don't feel it anymore. But a song don't need permission, and it don't forget the cost. Every note Clerk carries for the lost. Clerk remembers what the wind won't say, all the names we didn't keep, all the debts we walk away. If the story makes you uneasy, sit with it a while. Clerk remembers every mile. Sing it low, don't dress it pretty, let it stand the way it is. If we smooth the edge of sorrow, then we lie about what lived. Clerk remembers when the world lets go, if they bury every lesson, the music will still know. When the truth tries to leave us, we make it stay by singing